Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel Mr. Tech Pro. So in this video I am going to show you 12 plus Udemy free courses. So before starting the video, if you haven't subscribed to our channel, then please do subscribe and press the bell icon. So let's get started with the video with a small intro. So let's start with the video. So first course is project cost management, estimating, budget and control. So in this course you will learn how to estimate cost for a project, how to control project cost, how to determine project budget, and how to use earned value management indicators. So if you are interested, then please do enroll. 4 is the rating of this course and 2.5 hours of a video demand. So if you want to enroll this course, then please do. The coupon code is I am highlighting. You can refer here, or otherwise I will give it in the description as a timestamp. So the second course is learn basics of Adobe After Effects CC 2021. So this course is basically about photo editing and video editing both. So if you are interested in editing, then please do enroll to this course. So the rating of this course is 4.5 and 34 minutes of course is there. If you want to enroll, then please do enroll. You can complete it in a one day because its duration is not much. So in this course you will learn complete intro of After Effects, and also you will learn keyframes and how to use it. So you can edit video with After Effects. That concepts also explained in this course. So if you are interested, then please do enroll. The coupon code is I am highlighting here, so you can refer here, or I will give it in the description as a timestamp. So third is color gradient and video editing with the DaVinci Resolve 17. This is also about video editing. So DaVinci Resolve is a software which is used for video editing. So in this course you will learn how to use DaVinci Resolve software, and in this course they will explain the basic to advanced concept. All the concept they are explained. So if you are interested in editing, then please learn with this course. So the coupon code I am highlighting here. So 42 minutes on demand course is the 42 minutes on demand course is this. So if you are interested, then please do enroll. So the fourth course is full stack programming for complete beginner in Python. So if you are interested to learn Python programming language, then you must enroll to this course. In this course you will learn the programming principles, implementing MongoDB with Python, also software engineering principles, programming in Python, creating graphical user interface. All these concepts you will learn in this course. So the rating of this course is 4.4, and so 9.5 hours is the duration of this course. So if you are interested in learning Python programming language, then please do enroll to this course. So the coupon code is, so I am highlighting here, you can check out red DIT free. So this is the coupon code of this course. And the fifth course is hiring process talent management. So in this course you will learn defining and knowing the position, making an offer, filtering applicants to interview, onboarding. So basically this course is about hiring process. How can you hire people? So the complete process is explained in this course. So if you are students also, you can take much knowledge from this course. You will get to know how the hiring process will done. So if you are students also, you can enroll to this course. So the rating of this course is 4.4 and the course duration is 1 hour. The coupon code I am highlighting here, June-21 is the coupon code. If you are interested, then please do enroll to this course. And the next is Google Data Studio A to Z for data visualization and data boards. So in this course you will learn how to use Google Data Studio to turn your data into fully customized information, and sharing collaboration on Data Studio reports, embedding external content into the report. So this is all the topics you will learn in this course. So if you are interested in this, you can enroll The rating of this course is 4.4 and duration is 4 hours. So there are one downloadable resources also, and the coupon code is I am highlighting here. So let's move to the next course. Next course is Bootstrap 4 Ultimate course. So in this course you will learn how to build an actual project from the scratch using advanced Bootstrap 4, how to easily build animation website from scratch using Bootstrap 4, and how to use Bootstrap 4 for web development and web design. Apart from that, you will able to learn Atom text editor, because in this course they are using Atom text editor, so you will get familiar with Atom text editor. So if you are interested to learn Bootstrap 4, then please do enroll. The rating is much better, that is 4.2, and course duration is 5.5 hours. So it is available for free. Just apply try 10 free 62106 coupon code, and you will get this paid course for free. So the next course is, let's see, the complete English language course, improve spoken English. So if you are lacking with your English speaking, if you are not able to speak English fluently or in the public, then you must enroll to this course. With this course you will able to improve your English much better. So if you are interested, then please do enroll in this course. You will learn how to understand English easierly, and also you will learn how to speak and write English with more confident. So if you want to become fluent in English, then I suggest that you must enroll to this course. So I am highlighting the coupon code, that is JGIFT is the coupon code I am highlighting here. You can check out, or otherwise I will give it in the description also. So the coupon code is JGIFT. So the course duration is 26 hours, which is huge, and they are giving it for free. So please do enroll and get your English boosted. So the next course is Ultimate WordPress Optimization 2020. So in this course you will learn complete optimization of a WordPress website, how to take a backup of a WordPress website, how to improve security of your website, how to speed up a WordPress website, etc. So if you are interested in web development, then you can enroll to this course. With this course you will get familiar with the security of your website and much more things. So the course duration is 2.5 hours and the rating is 3.8. I am highlighting the coupon code here, you can refer from here. So the next course is SQL Masterclass, SQL for Data Analytics. So in this course you will gain knowledge of all essential SQL commands and become competent in using sorting and filtering commands in SQL. Apart from that, you will learn enhance the performance of your database by using views and indices. So if you are interested in SQL, then please do enroll. 7.5 hour is the course duration, and 4.5 is the rating, and also there are 59 downloadable resources and one practice test for your improvement. So the coupon code is SQL June free. So there are not completely spelling, there are SQL JUNFRE. So this is the spelling of coupon code, you can check out in the description also. So the next course is Complete Guide to Modern Mathematical Optimization in GAMS from Zero to Hero. So in this course you will learn how to install GAMS, and also you will learn multi-object optimization, loop statements and conditional statements. So the rating of this course is 4.3 and 3 hours of a duration and 18 downloadable resources. So if you are interested, then please do enroll. The coupon code is I am highlighting here, you can refer or you can check out in the description also. So the next course is, and the last course, which is CPU mining on Android device, Mine Crypto and Monero XMR. So if you are interested in cryptocurrency, then you must enroll to this course. In this course they are explaining command for mining crypto, how to mine crypto with your laptop or home computer, how to earn money with your laptop, which are the graphics card it is using, all the details they are explaining. So if you want to earn money from home or with your laptop, then you must enroll to this course. So the rating of this course is 4.3 and 42 minutes of on demand video, so you can complete it in a simple half day also. So if you are interested in earning, then please do enroll. The coupon code is mining on Android. So the coupon code is mining on Android without space. You can check it out and enroll to this course. So that's it for the this video, guys. If you liked this video and found useful, then please share it to your friends and let them gain some knowledge, and please do subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching, guys. Take care. Tata. Bye bye.